Hey, hi, welcome to this part. Now, this portion is available to all subscribers, but I would strongly suggest click the join button and become Cloud Kernel or Cloud Ninja to gain access to many more paid contents which will help you clear the certifications. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button. It will help you get alerts when I post many such informative content. We are totally focused on cloud certifications. It includes AWS, GCP, and Azure. Let us look at this question. So this question is talking blah blah blah, but the main important thing is they need a solution to rotate the database credentials so that if the credentials are not rotated, it can fall prey to bad players, and we need least operational overhead. So whenever you see this term least operational overhead, that means within AWS, if you got a service which does this ready made for you, then do not go for a customized solution. So for example, in this case, secrets manager, it centrally manages the life cycle of secrets, and it has the capability to rotate the secrets periodically. So here you see they got automatic rotation for secrets, and then they are attaching the required permissions to the EC2 role. So this would be my answer. But let us scan through other options. So here it says you store the database credentials in the instance metadata, and the problem here is the instance metadata, it is not encrypted. So if you are storing your username and password on a piece of paper and you put that piece of paper on the notice board for everyone to watch, then that is not the right solution. B says you store the database credentials in a config file in an encrypted S3 bucket. So the bucket is encrypted, but the config file is uh, it's not masked. So once you gain access to the X3 bucket, you gain access to the config file where the credentials are naked. And then they are saying that you want to plug event bridge rules to schedule lambda function that will update the credentials. So for example, in this case, you want to rotate your credentials and they are creating a custom solution using Lambda. So what did I say at the start? If AWS gives you the feature which will help you with least operational overhead, do not create custom solutions. Option D, so they want to store the credentials in Systems Manager parameter store. So Systems Manager, it is a collection of capabilities to manage your applications and infrastructure. To manage your applications and infrastructure. Does it say anywhere that you can store database credentials? No. And hence this would be the answer. So this is the next question, but I'm not going to solve this for you. You can try solving it yourself. I would post the solution for Cloud Kernel and Cloud Ninja members. Similarly, this is the next question where I would not solve it. You think about it, solve it, and you can go back to the Cloud Kernel or the Cloud Ninja member, become that member, and you can gain access to the solution of these two questions. Folks, hit the subscribe button and the like button if you like my videos. Do not forget to join. There is a join button below the video. Click that and become Cloud Kernel or Cloud Ninja, because only those two memberships will give you unlimited access to these contents. See you in the next part. I will post the answers for the two questions I showed you in this video. This will be posted in the members group.